So in addition to the cerebral cortex, there are a couple of other locations of gray matter. So these are integration centers that are of specific importance. So the first is the limbic system. And you can see that this is going to contain some of the cortex. So this is cerebral cortex here on the right side of the brain. And then this is mirrored. So everything in the limbic system is paired. If there's one on the right, then there's one on the left. And this is also going to include the hippocampus. So this is down here into the temporal lobe, as well as the amygdala down here. So these are the three main portions of the limbic system that are agreed on by everybody. Some scientists think that there are some components that are included or not included based on their function. So the limbic system functions in emotion and learning. So almost every portion of the system has some gratification center and some aversion center, some more than others. In the gratification centers, those are typically going to stimulate some sort of sense of pleasure or reward. And then an aversion center is going to stimulate something unpleasant, such as like fear or sorrow. The hippocampus has been specifically associated with function in memory. And then the amygdala is mostly an aversion sensor associated with the emotion of fear. The basal nuclei are masses of gray matter. So again, gray meaning no myelin. So these are going to be involved in integration. These are very deep. So you can see this is all the white matter. So these are very deep inside the brain, and they're lateral to the thalamus. So right here are the three masses. And then on this side over here, this is the thalamus right there in the center. These are generally thought to be involved in motor control. And there are three nuclei that are agreed on by everybody: the caudate nucleus, the putamen, and the globus pallidus. And together, all three of these are called the corpus striatum, and they get this name because they have a striped appearance to them. So take a moment to describe the structure and the function of the limbic system.